Get ready to shell out money for Google's 2023 Pixel phones. Historically, Pixel devices have been priced lower compared to flagship models from Samsung, Xiaomi, and Apple in the US. The same trend applied to pricing with the 2022 Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, starting at €649 and €149 before taxes. However, if you were expecting pricing for the Pixel 8 series in Europe, this time brace yourself for a surprise. A recent leak suggests that Google's upcoming Pixels might be more expensive in the EU. According to the leak, the entry-level variant of the Pixel 8 with 128 GB storage will cost €874, including VAT of 23%. For the 256 GB configuration, Google plans to charge €949, including taxes. Additionally, it seems that the higher-end Pixel 8 Pro will come with a higher price tag. The base variant is rumored to cost €1,004 before VAT or $1,235 including it. Furthermore, if you opt for the top-tier model with the 512 GB of storage on the Pixel 8 Pro, it will set you back €1,500. It's worth noting that this isn't the time rumors about increased prices for the Pixel 8 series have emerged online. According to a report published on July 10th, it is speculated that the upcoming Pixel 8 might be priced at $600 in the United States, making it $50 expensive than its predecessor, the Pixel 7. Therefore, considering the price increase in the US, it is possible that a similar price adjustment could occur in the European Union as well. We advise you to consider this leak with a level of skepticism. While it's possible that the Pixel 8 might be priced higher, the leaked prices may not be entirely accurate. The report also discloses the colors in which the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be introduced. The smaller Pixel is expected to launch in 4 colors: Hazel, Obsidian, Rose, and Mint. On the other hand, the Pixel 8 Pro will debut in Bay, Obsidian, Porcelain, and Mint shades. Enough, Google unintentionally revealed its flagship Pixel in the porcelain color variant. Google has already announced an event called Made by Google on October 4th. Therefore, we'll have to wait a few weeks to learn everything about the 2023 Pixels unless leaks spoil Google's plans. To be honest, these price increases seem a bit unreasonable. Hence, we approach these findings with a dose of skepticism. However, when it comes to information about color options, it appears to be reliable. There have been some rumors about Google working on a night sight video feature to accompany its night sight for photos. It will be fascinating to see what Google has in store. Additionally, the rumors about the phones exclusively using eSIM have proven false, so the physical SIM card tray will remain for now. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 8 pricing? Share your valuable opinion below in the comment section, and for more Pixel updates, do check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.